Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 2nd of July and it's a Friday, so I wish you all a upcoming nice weekend. Now let's look at what is buzzing. So I've selected stock and the stock we'll be talking about today is Apple. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 181 articles towards it. Going into the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling neutral and the subjectivity is 37%, which means people are being rational. In trend analysis, the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may rise by 8.85%. Now, looking at the chart above, they're saying short term, there are a further events. Again, this is a daily chart. When this analysis is published, the price is above the 20 days and 50 days moving average and also on top of the Bollinger Band. The pivot point is 128 here. So that means they are saying in the preference is that the long position above the pivot point of 128, then you will target at 137 and 145. The current price is already at 137. That means this analysis is valid. However, there's still a second profit of 145.00. So it's recommended for you to check it out, especially make sure that you combine multiple analysis. In the comment section, they're saying the RSI is showing the upside momentum since it's above the 50. Below, it's a series of supports and resistances, and I hope you like today's video. If you do, don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook and YouTube. Until then, I will see you next Monday, and I'll see you then. Bye.